There have been, and continue to be, those who come to the Irish wilderness with exploitive intentions. But there have also been many who accept the area on its own terms, concluding its best asset to be precisely that wilderness quality which has managed to persevere with remarkable resiliency despite persistent efforts to obliterate it. The vastness and haunting qualities of the Irish wilderness have left many with a unique and unforgettable impression. It may be that wild places have a more vital role than we might have imagined, as refuges of sanity and solitude, and as fragments or evocations of a primordial environment that is vanishing before our spreading civilization with chilling swiftness. Such qualities make this wild expanse of hills, hollows, forests, and clear running waters to be even more rare and precious.